Good day, ma'am, sir. I'm Nerissa Pedro Agustin, 35 years old, a 4 years graduate of Hotel, Restaurant, and Tourism Management. I am currently working here in Saudi Arabia as a domestic helper for 2 years and 9 months now. My employer has 6 members in the family. They have 4 kids. The elder one ages 14 years old, and the mid kids is a twin, which is ages 12 years old, and the youngest one is 9 years old. Their house has 3 floors. They have 7 rooms, 4 living rooms, 2 kitchens, and a private pool. My job is to clean the house, cooking, give the needs of the kids going to school, and the laundry, ironing. I'm soon to go back to the Philippines at the end of June 2024. I'm looking forward to work in your family and give good service as I serve my employer here in Saudi. I am an honest and jolly person. I'm willing to learn anything to satisfy and serve your family as you want. Good day.